How to make $250,000 selling over the phone. How to make $250,000 plus a year over the phone. Would you like to know what the best final expense leads in 2022? Well, guess what? This video will go over some of the pros and cons of different types of leads. Hit the subscription button for more strategies. We'll also touch on the best ways to get them. I just finished writing a special report that shows you if you sell final expense insurance or want to generate final expense leads over the phone. Some of the top agents in the final expense lead agency are making over $250,000 plus a year. Here's one secret. When a top agent makes $1,000 in commissions, they reinvest $500 in more leads. When they make $2,000, they reinvest $1,000 in leads. Top agents spend a minimum of 25% to 50% in buying leads. So, if you're trying to generate final expense leads and sell final expense or even term insurance over the phone, check out my free report at http://www.250creport.com. I've made over $1.2 million selling and working niche widow leads. You may just learn something. Plus, learn how I sold over 2,500 final expense plans working my 3-step postcard system. Hit the subscription button for more strategies. Go to www.virtualunlimitedleads.com. Again, go to www.virtualunlimitedleads.com.